Why do some people break out of the rat race, while others stay stuck their whole lives? Could the difference be what they were taught about money? Today, we're uncovering 10 game-changing lessons from Rich Dad vs. Poor Dad that many people completely overlook, but these insights could shift your entire money mindset. The rich don't work for money. One of the biggest contrasts between Rich Dad and Poor Dad is how they viewed income. Poor Dad worked tirelessly for a paycheck, believing that hard work alone would secure his future. Rich Dad, on the other hand, focused on building assets, things like stocks, businesses, and real estate, that made money while he slept. This idea of making money work for you is a mindset shift most people miss. Instead of chasing promotions or raises, Rich Dad taught the importance of investing and creating cash flow streams. True financial freedom doesn't come from trading hours for dollars. It comes from owning income-producing assets. That's the lesson that turns workers into wealth builders. Financial education is more important than a college degree. Poor Dad believed that a college degree was the golden ticket to success. But Rich Dad argued that real wealth is built by understanding how money actually works: taxes, debt, investing, and risk. While school teaches you how to get a job, it rarely teaches how to manage or grow money. That's why Rich Dad focused on financial literacy as the true education worth pursuing. Many people still think that higher education guarantees a wealthy life, yet they leave school buried in debt and clueless about money. Financial education isn't just for the wealthy, it's the tool anyone can use to create wealth, no matter their starting point. Understanding money is how you win with money. By Assets, Not Liabilities. Here's a lesson that most people think they understand but constantly get wrong. A house, a new car, or expensive gadgets may seem like assets, but if they don't generate income, they're actually liabilities. Rich Dad taught that assets put money into your pocket every month, while liabilities drain it. Poor Dad bought a big house thinking it was an investment, but Rich Dad focused on buying rental properties, dividend stocks, and businesses. It's not about owning things, it's about owning things that pay you. Mislabeling liabilities as assets leads people into financial traps they can't escape. True wealth grows when your assets outpace your liabilities, and that requires clarity and discipline. Mind your own business. Poor Dad thought the goal was to get a stable job and work your way up the ladder. Rich Dad had a different view. He said, mind your own business. That doesn't mean quitting your job immediately. It means using your job to fund your own financial ventures, side hustles, investments, and personal growth. Even if you work 9 to 5, you should always be building something that belongs to you. Treat your finances like a business. Track income, reduce expenses, and reinvest wisely. Many people miss this because they get too comfortable with one income stream. But true security comes when you control the source of your money, not when someone else does. The rich understand and master the tax system. Most people see taxes as a burden, but Rich Dad saw them as a game, one that you can legally win if you know the rules. While Poor Dad simply accepted taxes as unavoidable, Rich Dad studied how the wealthy use tax shelters, deductions, and business entities to keep more of their money. Corporations, real estate depreciation, and retirement accounts can legally reduce tax bills. This isn't about evasion. It's about education. Taxes are one of your biggest expenses in life, yet they're rarely discussed in schools. If you don't learn how to manage them strategically, you'll always work harder just to keep less. Knowledge isn't just power, it's profit. Don't just work to earn. Rich Dad believed that jobs should be viewed as learning platforms, not just paychecks. While Poor Dad chased job security, Rich Dad encouraged gaining skills that make you financially unstoppable, like sales, negotiation, investing, and leadership. It's not about how much you earn right now. It's about becoming someone who can earn in any economy. That's a mindset shift that most people miss. They stay in jobs that offer comfort but no growth. Rich Dad wanted you to use every opportunity to level up your financial IQ and skill set. Learning is your real paycheck. It pays long after the job ends. Overcome fear or stay broke forever. Fear is what keeps most people financially stuck. Poor Dad avoided taking risks because he was scared of failure. Rich Dad taught that failure isn't something to fear, it's something to learn from. Fear of losing money is real, but fear of staying broke should be even stronger. The rich take calculated risks because they understand that every mistake carries a lesson. Playing it safe might keep you comfortable, but it won't make you wealthy. Most people miss this lesson because society trains us to avoid failure. But if you never try, you'll never grow. Wealth belongs to the bold. Corporations are wealth-building machines. Rich Dad saw corporations not just as business structures but as financial tools that protect and grow wealth. While individuals earn, pay taxes, and then spend what's left, corporations earn, spend, and then get taxed on what's left. This legal structure gives them a massive advantage. Poor Dad thought corporations were only for big businesses, but Rich Dad knew that even small entrepreneurs can benefit from this setup. From tax deductions to liability protection, corporations can shield your assets and optimize cash flow. This lesson gets ignored because it sounds complex, but it's worth learning. A smart structure can unlock major financial leverage. Mentorship matters more than memorization. Poor Dad believed that formal education and good grades were the keys to success. Rich Dad knew that learning from someone who's done it is often more valuable than reading about it. Mentors give you context, feedback, and shortcuts based on real experience. They can guide you through pitfalls you might not see coming. Most people try to figure everything out alone, and it slows them down. Rich Dad urged seeking out coaches, advisors, and communities that push you to grow. A single conversation with a mentor can be more powerful than a semester in class. Don't just study success, surround yourself with it. Wealth starts with a mindset shift. Perhaps the deepest lesson from Rich Dad is that your beliefs about money shape your financial future. Poor Dad constantly said things like, "We can't afford that," reinforcing scarcity. Rich Dad flipped the script by asking, "How can we afford it?" A question that opens your mind to possibilities. The rich think differently. They see challenges as chances, and they focus on solutions instead of limits. If you believe money is evil or success is for others, you'll never chase it. But if you train your brain to look for opportunity, you'll start seeing it everywhere. Change your thoughts, and you change your bank account. And there you have it, 10 overlooked but powerful lessons from Rich Dad vs. Poor Dad that can completely shift your financial future. It's not just about what you earn, it's about how you think, invest, and grow. Start applying these principles today and you'll be miles ahead of most. If you found this video helpful and informative, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thank you.